Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Green, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Green Dot app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Once your account is set up, log in to access your dashboard. Locate the budgeting feature within the app, usually found on the main page or in the settings menu. Select Create a Budget to initiate the budgeting process. Choose a budgeting method that works for you, such as zero-based budgeting or the 50/30/20 rule. Input your total income for the month. Next, add your fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage payments. Include your variable expenses, such as groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Review your expenses to ensure they accurately reflect your spending habits. Set savings goals, whether it's for an emergency fund, vacation, or retirement. Allocate a portion of your income towards these savings goals. Use the app's budgeting tools to track your spending throughout the month. Monitor your progress regularly, making adjustments as needed. At the end of the month, review your budget performance. Identify areas where you can improve or cut back for the next month. Consider using notifications within the app to remind you of spending limits. Stay committed to your budget by regularly engaging with the app. Utilize reports and insights provided by Green Dot to refine your budgeting strategy. Continue this process monthly to enhance your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.